welcome to Chazza with me, Chazz teacher. Hi guys, and today I'm back with my dad.
Hi guys.
And then there's a doing, or something.
Yeah, we usually do.
Okay, that is actually kind of true, like this.
Stop. He knows I'm really ticklish.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Chaz?
Today we are going to do. What was that?
What are we doing today?
Some arts and crafts. So there's a lot of troubles going around in the world right now. So we wanted to make some birds of love, birds of peace.
Spread some love, spread some peace. Tell everyone to just
Relax.
relax, love each other.
I want to do that.
Be peaceful and caring to one another. And we're going to make 2 birds of peace from our arts and craft picture. Really simple, yeah?
Yeah.
Something like this.
I'm going to have that.
I'll show you how to do it.
It's going to help.
And they look really, really amazing,
yeah,
don't they, when they do.
They really do.
When they're done. When they're done.
When they do.
So stick around to the end, yeah?
Just do. Would you are done.
Stick around to the end and see how amazing they are, and you'll want to make these. They look so great.
So if you're following, watch it and we'll show you how to make it. So let's get into it. Welcome to Chazzas World with me, Chazz TJI. So guys, as I said, we're going to do some arts and crafts.
Making 2 birds of peace.
So what you are going to need is a pencil, 2 little googly eyes.
Woolly eyes.
Woogly. Some glue or some put a stick on if you want to call it, some scissors. Gonna need some cards.
3 bits of card. Ideally white,
red and black.
White, red and black.
What's this, the olden days?
The
White and
red
black?
is going to be the black. You could use whatever colour you
Yeah.
want for that. But ideally we're using white. White and black for the birds and red for the background. Because red is love.
Yeah.
So it's a good idea to use the red.
So let's do it.
So should we do it?
Yeah, okay, so the first
First thing we need to do is to draw around your hand, right?
Yeah, so well, no, not this one. So I'm gonna do it on this one, just in the middle. The first thing I'm gonna do is have to draw around my hand. So Dad is gonna draw around my hand.
Okay.
Place it there. You need
It's important to get your thumb straight.
It might hurt, but that needs to be straight. That's
and you keep 2 fingers sort of together and 2 fingers sort of together. So making a bigger part in the middle. And here we go. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just rough. And you're going to cut it out. All right?
That. Guys, time to cut out, but just before I do this, if you're using scissors, make sure you get a parent to watch you just in case if something bad happens. So. Guys, we cut out our first hand. See, it matches mine. A bit big, but...
So that's 1/2 of the bird.
Yes.
Well, that's 1 bird.
Yeah. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place it on the black card and I'm going to draw around it.
Rather than drawing around your hand again,
you could do that.
Put it on the card and draw around that.
So you get a mainly equal.
So they're equal. Let's do that.
So guys, I've cut out both of them. And so what we're going to do is we've got a red card. So you might
We've got our black bird, our white bird.
And we're just going to place
And we're going to put them together.
Just like that.
On our red card.
But
what you got to do first? You've got to make beaks, right?
Yes. So we've got a little triangle bits. And we just
Bit of offcuts of card.
And then we got our beaks. So.
Snip off 2 little triangular pieces.
There's one.
Just like this.
There's That's 2.
One black, one white. And I'm going to put it all together, right, Chaz?
Yeah, so let's do that. Now we're going to glue the back of our birds to stick them on the card. So
it's good to have a bit of a tissue or another piece of card so you don't get the glue all over the table, right, Chaz?
we're going to use a tissue just in case because that we don't want to waste the card. And that should be it, so you stick that on. Stick it on. He's going to stick that on. Press that down, and I'm going to carry on gluing. It's nicer on black because you can see the glue. You might not be able to, but you can. There we are.
Before you glue this one on, it's good to glue your little beaks.
Okay.
So that one you're going to need to glue that side. And that one you're going to need to glue that side.
Okay, so this side. I'm just going to hold it on here, so.
The idea is they touch each other as friends, right?
Yeah, so there's one beak. Glued that way.
You sure you're sticking it all on? Go on, stick it on.
Oh. They actually look like. There we are. That could stick down. We've got our little eye. It's very hard. Oh. I just took the eye. It's very hard to get the back bits of it. Like you can do it and it sticks, but I'm just gonna glue them.
Do they peel off?
Yeah, no, it's very hard to do it, but they do. It is very hard to do it, honestly.
Okay, glue them then.
So
Give them a nice press down into the glue.
I don't want to ruin my glue.
You push the eye to the almost, yeah, that's it, to the back of the head.
But it won't stay. This is.
No?
I'll try it one more time. Try and peel them off. Yeah, that's not sticking.
Right, turn that.
So guys, as you can see, we start our 2 hands on the red card, but when you first do it, you can see it doesn't really look like it, but then when you add the beak and 2 eyes, it really looks like a bird. So they're touching each other because it's supposed to be peace, love, friendship. So
Yeah, they're greeting each other, saying hello.
by kissing or going up to
Maybe
each other.
brushing their heads against each other, saying hello, nice to meet you,
cat.
let's be friends. Yeah.
Like cats do.
So remember, be nice to each other,
Yep.
spread love, spread peace.
Yep.
The world is for us all to share, so be nice to each other.
But don't spread blah, blah, blah.
Don't spread blah 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 blah.
Don't
Might
spread-
do, it might spread a bit of laughter around everyone. We
Yeah.
need a bit more of that in the
Yeah.
world. Okay?
So I hope you enjoyed. This was
Try
really
this
fun.
at home.
Yes. If you're following along, I hope this was useful for you.
Yep.
Like and subscribe. Check in the link in the description down below for more videos. Share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Check out these other awesome videos by me, Chazza. And don't forget to like and subscribe.